Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Tang City Hotel at Chinatown. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free Wi-Fi, parking, family rooms, 24-hour front desk, air conditioning and a lift. Set in Kuala Lumpur, 0.7 miles from the Weld, Tang City Hotel at Chinatown has rooms with free Wi-Fi access. Located around 0.8 miles from Berjaya Times Square, the hotel is also a 19-minute walk away from Fahrenheit 88. Starhill Gallery is 1.1 miles from the hotel and Dinner in the Sky KL is 1.1 miles away. The units in the hotel are fitted with a flat-screen TV. Each room has a private bathroom with free toiletries. All guest rooms at Tang City Hotel include air conditioning and a desk. Speaking English and Malay, staff will be happy to provide guests with practical information on the area at the 24-hour front desk. Aquaria KLCC is 1.2 miles from the accommodation. Sultan Abdul Aziz Shah Airport is 10.6 miles from the property. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.